Hi guys, a warm welcome to my channel. If you're new around here, I'm Lara. I'm not going to keep you for long. I know you guys just want to jump straight into these hacks, but I thought I would just introduce the video. Thank you for popping by to watch it. It's going to be some cleaning hacks, and let me tell you, I am so into this right now. Anything that helps me clean quicker, work less, work smarter, just get it done without so much work, I'm into it. So I really hope that you like them and that they are helpful, informative. If they are, I'd love it if you consider subscribing to my channel. I upload 3 times a week and it's everything from mum hacks, IKEA hacks, there's loads of IKEA hacks over here on this channel, cleaning routines. I think that you'll like what you see, so I really hope that you would consider doing that. And also, if it was helpful, give this video a like just so I know I can gauge the kind of content that you guys want from me. I'm going to jump straight into them. I hope that they are useful and that you find something new. If you use any of them, let me know in the comments. I'd love to start a community where we just help each other and get loads of ideas throwing around between us. Thank you for watching. Let's jump into it. Okay, so for my first hack, what we're going to be doing is using a dry towel in a wet load of washing to speed up the drying process. So all you need to do is put a dry towel in with your wet washing and pop it onto a dry cycle, and it will go so much quicker. Next hack is for those grubby bath toys or any kind of toys that just need a good old clean. All you need to do is pop them into your dishwasher and put them on a normal wash cycle, and they will come out disinfected and lovely and clean. The next hack is to get help with those edges of the carpet, which are really hard to get to and just build up with dust and dirt. All you need to do is use a lint roller and you will pick up all of that pesky, hard to reach area. Also, this is fantastic for picking up that really annoying sock fluff that just gets everywhere. The next hack is going to be using a lint roller once again, and it is to use them to dust off the lampshades. I find them really difficult to dust because the dust seems to just stick to it. And for this purpose, I have left these lampshades for quite a while so that I can show you just how effective it is to dust them off with a lint roller. For my next hack, I'm going to be cleaning up this very grubby shower curtain. It just gets really full of horrible limescale because we live in a really hard chalk area. So all you need to do is just take off your shower curtain and pop it into a wash. I use the disinfectant to go in this as well, and I just pop it onto a wash. And the best part is it comes out sparkling clean, and all you need to do to dry it is hang it back up into your bathroom, and there we go, you have a nice clean shower curtain. My next tip is to clean off your blinds, which are so difficult to clean. All you need to do is use a pair of tongs, some scissors and a microfiber cloth, and you just literally wrap the cloth around the tongs and then affix in place with some sellotape, and then these create a really good handy little tool to clean off all of your blinds and hard to reach areas, and these are great for back of radiators as well. My next tip is for those really difficult to reach areas of the staircase and other places like this. I can never get into the really tight crevices. So what you need to do is just take a normal toilet or kitchen roll and then just fit it to size and pop it into place with some sellotape, and that just creates a really handy add-on, little extra suction area so that you can get to those tight to reach places and vacuum up all the dust. And my next hack is going to need some Tumble Sheets, and this is to dust off your skirting boards, also making them anti-static and of course smelling lovely. Again, I did keep these undusted for quite a while for this video, so it does look really gross. My penultimate hack is for cleaning off your wooden chopping boards. These do get quite grubby and smelly after a while, so all you need is some salt and some lemon, and you just rub that salt with the lemon into the board, and it just lifts off all of those lingering smells that get left behind. And for my final hack, it is for my coffee mug. I don't know about you, but I do tend to drink a lot of coffee, and sometimes I can't get the stains out with the dishwasher. So all you need is a toothbrush and some whitening toothpaste, and you just give it a good old scrub with your toothbrush, and it comes out sparkling clean. So there we go, guys. I really hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe because there are so many more hack videos coming soon. Let me know if you want more kind of cleaning routine videos or laundry routines, anything like that. Just let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to have you here, get the conversation started. I'd love to get to know you guys as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.